If you practice outdoor sports and are tired of earbuds that fall out or block vehicle sounds or urban noises, you need to see this. The Philips TAQ2000 promises safety and a secure fit for around $40. But does it work for you? Before we start, a small notice. I left the affiliate links for this product in the video description or the first pinned comment. So if you decide to buy through one of them, it really supports the work here on the channel. Rest assured, this does not affect my opinion or experience with the product. Now, let's be honest about the sound quality. To deliver audio in this format, it uses 12mm dynamic drivers, which offer a good size for its intended purpose. It connects via Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring stability and better overall audio quality. Since this is an ear clip model, the sound might feel a bit more distant compared to in-ear models. It delivers good low frequencies, but be aware that the maximum volume is not very high. It is designed so your music stays in the background while you focus on your activity. But the biggest highlight of this product is definitely the fit. The clip design attaches to the side of your ear. In my experience, it feels very stable. It stays in place even when moving quickly. However, fit can vary depending on the shape of your ear. It might feel loose for some, but for most, it is secure enough for daily activities. For durability, this model comes with an IPX4 rating. This means it is resistant to sweat and light splashes of water. It is safe for a workout, but make sure to dry it off before putting it back in the case. Regarding battery life, you theoretically get 7 hours of use. In practice, using the full potential of the earbuds, they last around 5 to 6 hours. The case holds another 21 hours, totaling 28 hours. It also supports fast charging. A 15-minute charge gives you about 1 hour of music. The key here is that for daily routines like the gym or 1 to 2 hour workouts, it will likely last the whole week before needing a full recharge. The microphone works fine for quick calls in a quiet room. If you are outside with wind or noise, the quality will drop. It is functional for basic needs, but it is not made for professional calls. There is a dedicated app for this device. It allows you to update the firmware and adjust sound profiles. It also helps manage the connections. The app is simple, but it is good to have for future updates. So, who is this product for? I recommend the Philips TAQ2000 mainly for people who practice outdoor sports. If you run or ride a bicycle and need to hear vehicle sounds or urban noises for safety, this is a great tool. It is ideal for keeping aware of your surroundings. Now, if you are looking for a good experience for exercises but focused more on audio quality, you might want to check out the JBL Reflect Aero. It is also designed for workouts, delivers JBL's excellent sound signature and a high-quality app, but the price is higher. Or you can try the Philips TAT 1109, which also has good sound at a low cost. And as I mentioned before, if you decided to buy this product, you can use my affiliate links in the description or the pinned comment. I have already researched the best supplier with the lowest price to make it easier for you. By buying through them, you help the channel bring new content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.